The three fastest birds in the world are 1. Peregrine falcon Falco peregrinus. Top speed up to 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour in a dive. Note: fastest animal on Earth reaches its top speed during hunting stoops divings. 2. Golden eagle Aquila crucidos. Top speed up to 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour in a dive. Note: powerful raptor with incredible diving speed when hunting. 3. Gray-headed albatross Thalassarch chrysostoma. Top speed up to 79 miles per hour, 127 kilometers per hour in level flight. Note: one of the fastest flying birds in level, sustained flight, not diving.